The GT Power N802D NiMH battery charger is everywhere. In fact, if you've bought a brushed HSP car or crawler from us, this might be the charger you have. So here's how to use it. The thing that makes the N802 so easy to use is that there's only one button. With your battery plugged in, press this and the LED should change from flashing green to solid red. That's all there is. When the light goes green, you're good to go. A couple of other little things. This charges at 2 amps. That means that it can charge a 2000 mAh NiMH pack in about an hour, a 4000 mAh pack in about 2 hours, and so on. If you've left your NiMH battery for a long time without use, the humble N802 may not have enough power to charge it up again. For that, you'll need a more powerful charger, or contact your local hobby shop as they can likely help. Lastly, 2 tips. When your battery is charged, unplug it from the charger. Don't leave the battery plugged into the charger after the charging process is finished, and especially don't leave it plugged into the charger if you've unplugged the charger from the wall. The circuit is still connected, and this can drain the battery completely flat. Don't stress if for the first few runs of your new car or battery, the runtime isn't quite what it should be. Brand new NiMH battery packs require about 4 to 6 full charge cycles to operate at their full capacity and efficiency. That's it, an easy video for an easy charger. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.